What is up, YouTube? Jayhawk 1971. A little mail today. 3 boxes. 2006 Rookies and Stars. I'm gonna open that. 2007 Rookies and Stars. 2007 Bowman Chrome. Get those in from Broncos 79 and RBX selling their boxes. Check them out, guys. PM one up if you want some boxes. Got 3 of those real cheap shipped. I'm gonna bust some open, see what I get. Later.